Welcome back to the weekly watch list. Let's look at some of the assets I'm keeping an eye on this week and where I'm looking to take action. First on the list, we've got CAD Japanese yen. So looking for this for a bullish opportunity this week. I'm looking at either getting setups at my daily 10 and 20 or 4-hour 10 and 20 for this watch list. Now with this particular asset, the CAD Japanese yen, I'm more looking for shorter term opportunities with Forex because it can be extremely volatile. So I'm probably going to pay more attention to my 4-hour setups where I'm looking to see the price come in into the bus stop between the 10 and 20, respect it, and then I'm looking to get into my trades and ride it up. So that's what I'm going to be keeping an eye on. Quite close, have to wait and see what happens on Monday, but could be a good opportunity at the start of the week for CAD Japanese yen. And that's where I'll be looking to constantly get in and out up until my target. Next one we're looking at is high grade copper. Now, again, what we're seeing right now on this, again, is a nice bullish trend. Just seeing a little bit of a continuation pattern as well at the moment. Now, I'm not looking at this to get in and hold it for the duration of the week. The reason being is I like it to pull back. I want to get in at the daily 10 or 20, and it still has not touched. So what I'm looking at is either to see this pull back further on Monday or Tuesday before getting into the trade to hold with confidence for a longer period of time, or I'm going to be looking at my 4-hour setups where you can see maybe we just had that consolidation period finish. It's now broken out. Wait for the pullback to the 10 and 20 for then some opportunities to get in and get out along the week. Again, a nice bit of potential for the growth on high grade copper. And then next up, we've got the indices we're keeping an eye on. So China looks quite promising. Not the clearance of bounces on a daily setup, but again, every aspect does look good. So probably one to keep an eye on for on Monday, looking at the 4-hour setups back to the 10 and 20. And again, some short-term opportunities to take, or otherwise waiting for a pullback back down to the bus stop on a daily setup to give a bit more confirmation to hold it for a longer period of time with a bit more confidence. Next, we've got Germany 40, which is at the daily bus stop kind of now. Again, one which has gone a little bit messy recently, but looking clean as it stands to start the week. So I'll be looking to see what happens this on Monday. It's at the good area already. There's no point me looking at a 4-hour setup in this situation because it will be the wrong way around. So only once it starts to go could you look for some short-term opportunities. So very much gonna be looking at Monday to take and hold a position for the week. And then we've got FTSE 100. Again, we can see a little bit away from the daily bus stop right now, so we need a little bit of a pullback to be able to get in and hold it. However, if we look at this for a 4-hour setup, you can see we're kind of in and around the area right now. Okay, so a little bit messy as it stands where it's come below the bus stop and come back above. But if we can see it kick on a little bit and then do a pullback, maybe late Monday or Tuesday onwards. But I think this is going to be one where we need it to play out a little bit more and carry on going up before the next pullback for the next bus stop. So that's my 5 assets I'm keeping an eye on for this week.
If you would like to receive a copy and most importantly, see what's in the weekly report, type yes in the comments to find out.